So I'm here working, right? I just registered a new company and I need a seal or a rubber stamp for the company. So I've been doing some research online to see what company here in Jamaica offers company stamps. And I found this one on Google called Viomark. Let me show you. So that's my Google search, that's Viomark, and then I was looking into the Google Photos. Okay, and this is what their office looks like, and these are some of the seals that they have advertised. This look good. Oh, I like this shape one. So anyways, I'm gonna call the company now and ask about it and ask about the prices and see if it's something I can get, if it's affordable, and if the customer service is good. Because if the customer service is bad, I'm gonna have to find another company. So let me look for their number. Oh, and the address is 13 Barbados Avenue here in Kingston, Jamaica. So it's in New Kingston. So let me call him. Let's see how good the customer service is. Okay, nobody answered.
Okay, morning, Viomark store.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Hi, I'm Rochelle. I'm calling because I'm interested in getting a company seal, but I don't know exact ones that I want. I don't know which one is best.
Is it regarding the bank?
Yes, it's for banking purposes.
Then you would best to get a self-inking seal.
Self-inking?
Yeah, the one that makes an ink on the paper, so that at least if you need to stamp any documents, they can email it to you if anything, and you can stamp it and scan it back to them. So you don't always have to be in person to do any type of documentation all the time. If you did an embossed, which makes the imprint on the paper, you'd always have to be in person because it can't be photocopied or scanned.
Oh, I got it. So and that one is used for what purpose? The embossed one?
Embossed is more for the churches and the schools, and JPs use it than anything else. Everybody else is more, and most times an extra if you want it. It's not necessarily needed.
Got it.
People buy it sometimes because they want it for maybe extra security that it is that you do in-person things sometimes. But most people always have the self-inking one. You always have to have the self-inking one, and then that one be secondary.
That one be secondary. Understood. And for the self-inking stamp, is it possible for me to put my logo in it, or is it just words?
And you can put your logo. You can send us a JPEG or PDF of good quality, and then we would put it in the center of it. So your company name would go around the top, the logo in the middle, and the word seal be somewhere below the logo.
Okay, and if I send you that, would you do a mock-up before I?
And you can ask for a mock-up to be done, and we'd send you how it would look.
Okay, and what do I need to provide you with in order to?
You need to send a copy of your certificate of incorporation and an ID, driver's license or voter's ID or passport.
Okay, a copy of my ID. Alright, cool. Can you give me an email address? I'm gonna send it over to you. Okay, go. It's Viomark.
Yes, so Viomark. V for Victory, I-O, M-A-R-K, at CW, Jamaica.com. Jamaica spelled out.
Okay.
Yeah, please make sure you put your contact detail, contact name, and number. And if you want it to be billed to the company, you can indicate the company name to be billed to.
Okay, and contact number. What's the cost for it?
The prices ranges depending on the name of the company. So if it's a longer name, it's a bigger stamp. A smaller name, smaller stamp. They range from 6, 7 up.
Okay, and if I send it in another 5 to 10 minutes, how soon can I get the stamp or get the mock-up to get the stamp?
The mock-up will be within the day, within the hour.
Within the hour, okay.
The stamp itself, you'd have to send us back an email stating go ahead on pickup after we sent you the quotation. So you'd state in the email after you get the quotation.
Would it be possible to get it today?
You'd have to pay a rush fee of $800 for today.
Okay.
And you'd have to be here before 12, and you'd get it back today about 3:30.
Understood. All right, thank you so much. And your name is?
Nicole.
Nicole. All right, thank you, Nicole.
Bye-bye.
I'm going to send an email shortly.
No problem.
Alrighty. Bye.
Bye-bye.
That wasn't too bad, right? Customer service wasn't bad. Nicole, you did well. Hope when you see this video, then you can pat yourself on the back. You did well. Alright, so you guys heard all of that. I'm gonna now put a copy of the company incorporation and my ID in an email and send to them, and they send me the mock-up, and then I tell them to go ahead because I want it this afternoon. So still gonna take you guys on the journey so you get to understand how this happens. So if you're ever opening, trying to register a business in Jamaica and you want a company seal, this place seems like a good place so far. So let me continue, and then I'll conclude at the end and recommend or not recommend if we should go ahead with it. So I'm gonna send the email now. Alright, so they just sent me an email in like 15 minutes after I sent the email, which is good because it's commendable, because not a lot of companies respond so quickly, and they responded in no time. So they sent me a mock-up, and I also got the quotation. So I'm gonna respond now. I'm gonna ask them to remove the seal here and increase the logo size. Reply. Hi Nicole, thanks for the speedy response. Let me know. So remember I told you earlier that I asked for a change from the seal that they originally sent me, so they changed it and they sent me the new one. I definitely prefer this to what I originally received, so I'm gonna proceed with this one, then I go pick it up. So still keep watching. Let me see what's the pickup part like. That's what I'm interested in, you know. Alright guys, so now I'm on the way to go and pick up the stamp. So they said they emailed me to say that it is ready. They actually told me it would be ready by 3:30, and now it is 3:45. So and they close at 5. So I tried to get there before they close, but I'm almost there. It's in New Kingston on Barbados Avenue, and I'm now about to turn onto Barbados Avenue. So yeah. Alright guys, so I reached the place now, so I'm about to go inside and pick up the stamp. I am so excited. I'm so excited. So I'm here. So I'm waiting.
Did you know that 4 out of 5 homeowners draw a blank when asked what their home project should cost? That's has created a national database of home project costs. Start your next home project knowing.
Hello. She really went to hide? She's really that shy? I'm here to pick up my stamp. You guys are expecting me, right?
Yes.
Where's Sharon gone?
I don't know.
She going to what's her name?
Dean.
I guess because I'm recording, she's afraid.
Yes.
Are you afraid of the camera? You're not? I just collecting this. I want to see what it looks like. This is good. So I'm here with Dan now, and Dan is about to give me my stamp. And I see the imprint and I love it. So I'm actually satisfied already with that, because that's exactly what I was looking for. But Dan is now going to explain to us the process that you guys would have seen earlier, or if you didn't see some of the process, he'll tell you.
Alright, so sure. So what it is, when you're getting a stamp of this caliber, something that is unique, like that incorporates an image, we require you to send us a vector format or PDF or JPEG of the image. It has to be sharp, so when we are processing it to go to the machine will be able to pick it up easily. And once that's done, we have the capability of designing it to a level where it's, as you can see, presentable. So we'll put those images together and we send out a sample to the customer, so the customer can approve it if they're okay with the sample. 99% of the times they are. So they approve it because of the design and how it looks, and they're leaving pleased as she is today.
Actually, honestly, I would have told you if I wasn't, because I don't know how to lie. It just show up on my face when I try to lie, so I try not to lie. But I was very pleased because she responded very quickly.
Yeah.
And you guys answered the phone. I think I spoke to you while she was on lunch. Was it you? I called and somebody told me she was on lunch.
I answered so many calls today. And
okay, so that's about it. Do I just try and stamp it?
Oh, this is it stamped here?
I want to try it.
Okay. No problem. I want to put it at the
Hello.
back.
Hi.
I want to put it at the back so you can look at the image.
Sure. Alright, yeah, it's good. Thank you. Are you scared of the camera too?
No, I just don't want to cough on the camera.
That's fine. You have the flu?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
there's sign, name and date. Alright, so the stamp gives you approximately 3,000 impression.
3,000?
Right, so once you have reached a point where it's getting pale,
That's when, to buy ink?
That's when you need to buy ink cartridge, which is located here. So you just slightly press it, slide the snap here, and locks it in place. So that draw is now available to you. So you use these two grooves here, and these again, here and here. So you pull it like this, and that's the ink cartridge.
Oh, and what's the cost for a cartridge?
The ink cartridge is approximately 1,000 plus tax.
Okay.
There we go.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Ready to make an impression?
Yes. Alright, cool. Thank you.
Take care. You.
I can't believe you ran away. Come back.
And I went to do his stamps that he had to be done.
I'm still recording now. It's not too late. It's not too. The people know the Nicole, you know. That's okay. So they need to see her face now, no?
Oh, you mean because you would have been spoken about?
Documentary all of
I was talking to you all this
Oh,
time.
like that?
So this is Nicole.
Hi.
She's been the one on the phone because I have it all documented and the emails, and she's been very responsive. So very nice to meet you, actually.
You want a part 2? I take 2. Let's do the whole thing over again.
It was all smile.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Rubber stamps.
Rubber stamp. Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so I just got the rubber stamp. I'm actually happy with it, to be honest, and the people seem warm and friendly, and even though Nicole was hiding from the camera for most of the time, it was a test to see if the customer service is good and to see if I would be happy with it, and I am happy with it. So if you guys opening a new business and you need rubber stamps, I would recommend this place. It's a yay for me. Customer service good, and the quality of the stamp is good too, so I do recommend them. So thank you for being on this journey with me, for coming with me. I'm gonna test out another company maybe next week and see how good is the customer service and let you know. So when you're doing business in Jamaica, you'll know where to go and what to do and who to ask for. So I will insert the company information below. It's called Viomark Trading Limited, and it's at 13 Barbados Avenue on the first floor in New Kingston. Their contact number is 754-9978. So if you're interested, then you can definitely contact them if you need company stamp or seals or anything like that. So see you in the next